we as municipal police are overlooked when it comes to investigation, and we are part of, there's a group of officers right through the country of municipal police that commit crimes, but they are not being investigated properly. One of the reasons I touched on it is that in terms of the Racketeering Act, or in terms of what the Hawks must investigate, there's limits of like 100,000 rand incidents, where we are saying is, if you go and look at what bribery is being committed by traffic officers and municipal police officers, if an officer works 8 to 10 hours a day and you have contact in that session with members of the public and he issues a fine every hour, he needs to issue 8. So very quickly you can do maths. If he doesn't issue, it's like 2 to 3 minutes to issue a fine. If it's an argument and a long lecture as well, let's make it 10 minutes. He still needs to issue 50 to 60 in his normal day because he's been employed as a law enforcement officer, not a shoe salesman. He must arrest people, he must give notices, that he must do law enforcement. However, there's officers that issue 1 fine in 6 months or 1 in a year. And when you start looking at that and you calculate the possible contact that he had with public and the amount of complaints on the other side, and then the rumors of if it's a drunken driving, it's 4,000, 5,000 rand, and you start calculating that, you will see that those type of officers is actually doing 100, 200,000 rand a month, if based from that, if you start just doing normal maths. And then you start looking at how officers live. They drive luxury vehicles, they live luxury estates. And when you ask your own counsel and you ask anyone, but can we do lifestyle audits on officers? It's always no, it doesn't allow it. So lifestyle audits is reserved at the moment for maybe the heads of departments or the city managers or the mayors. There's lifestyle audits. But at a lower level, there is no lifestyle audits at all. That's something that need to be, according to me, made compulsory, is that you cannot be a law enforcement officer and not be vetted to do your work.